Dubrovnik is stunning, but here's what most tourists learn the expensive way. A coffee on Stradun, €6. A small bottle of water, 5. Cable car return, 40. City walls, 35. Just to walk. You can see them free from the outside. Dubrovnik is gorgeous. And one of, Europe's biggest tourist traps. I'll show you where your money disappears. Let's break down a typical summer day budget in Dubrovnik. Accommodation in July and August averages $120 to $200 a night. For a simple double, not a luxury suite. Breakfast on Stradun, 12 to 18. City walls entry, 35. Cable car return, 40. Lockroom, Island Ferry, 25 return. Lunch in Old Town, 20 to 30. Dinner by the harbor, 35 to 50. Before souvenirs or transfers, that's already a heavy spend. Most travelers think 100 a day is fine. Reality? They spend closer to 180. Peak season surcharges hit everything: food, ferries, even water. In Old Town, convenience comes with a premium, and fees pile up when you use the wrong exchange or ATM. So yes, Dubrovnik dazzles, while your budget quietly drains. But with a smarter plan, you can slash costs without skipping the magic. Stick around. I'll give you the exact playbook. First, the 5 biggest traps to dodge. This is where most people overspend, by a lot. Trap 1, straight-in restaurants charge up to 3 times local prices. You pay for the view and the address, not better food. The same dish off the main drag can be half the price. Trap 2, taxis from the ferry port quoting €35 to Old Town. The local bus gets you there for a fraction of that. Same arrival, same time on busy days. Huge savings. Trap 3, exchange offices inside the walls hide up to 8% in spreads. Use bank ATMs or pay by card with local currency. Never accept dynamic currency conversion. Always choose the local currency option to avoid extra fees. Trap 4, the Dubrovnik card can be great, but only if you use everything. If you just want the walls, it won't save you money. It's value with a plan. A trap when you don't have one. Trap 5, pricey water taxis to beaches. Locals take the public ferry for a few euros. Same sea breeze, same sun, less spend. Recap. Stradun restaurants, port taxis, Old Town exchanges, misuse city cards and water taxis. Dodge these, and you've already saved a small fortune. Now, here's how locals keep it under 50 a day, without missing the magic. This is the playbook smart travelers use. Let's go. First, eat in Bruges or La Pad. Real portions, real prices. 8 to 12 for a main. Skip the view tax, keep the flavor. Bakeries do breakfast for a few euros and keep you moving. From Pilegate, take bus 6 instead of taxis. Buy tickets at kiosks or on board. It's a couple of euros. Same destination, better budget. Hike Mount Sarge instead of paying for the cable car. Free and gorgeous. Start early, bring water, and you'll earn those views. The photos? Same postcard. Use Lapad Beach instead of pricey beach clubs. Bring a towel, skip the lounger fee. Need a boat ride? Take the public ferry, not a water taxi. Grab lunch at Consum, yogurt, fruit, bakery items, and water for a few euros. Picnic at the harbor or on the walls outer promenade. Free views. Save calories and cash for dinner where it counts. Use bank ATMs, decline conversion and pay by card in local currency. Carry a refillable bottle. Free refills beat €5 water. Sightsee early or late to dodge queues and peak pricing vibes. These swaps slash spending without sacrificing the experience. That's how you do Dubrovnik under 50 a day. Let's compare. Same city, 2 budgets. Tourist path piles on wall tickets, cable cars, and waterfront meals. Smart path swaps in bakeries, hikes, public ferries, and neighborhood eats. Result, your day falls from 180 to under 50 without losing the best bits. Dubrovnik is breathtaking. Don't let the prices scare you. Just know where the traps are. Subscribe for more city-by-city cost breakdowns across Europe, and keep your budget for what actually matters. Travel smart. See more.